Though the world is moving faster and faster, it is sometimes hard to take a break and to let go. We tend to forget that it's often the small and simple things that make us happy. Coming home after a long, stressful day, we all need to recharge our batteries. What else would be better to relax and to unwind than bringing back the simplicity of your childhood by watching spin toys overwin gravity? Also, simply having fun with your friends and loved ones is very precious in these hectic times. We have created Spinballs, the fastest spinning toy on this planet. A fascinating spinning toy reinvented in an elegant way. Spinballs are made from 2 solid steel balls spot welded together. We have used industry-leading coating technology and materials for a perfect spinning experience. Exposed to light beams, Spinballs also create fascinating light effects you have never seen before. Together with our smart spin base and its integrated smart controlled LED light, you can create your very own light shows by using the Spinner's iOS and Android apps. We could spend hours exploring all the different light effects and colors which can be created by this wonderful toy. We have spent more than 10 months with developing, designing, testing and prototyping to bring this toy to perfection. We have looked into every detail and we have been working hard together with our suppliers to ensure only the best materials are used. The result is an amazing and exceptional toy for spin lovers and everyone else who is fascinated by the simplicity of light and speed or wants to bring back childhood memories. Help us to bring this toy to life. Support us now and become a Spinnerd.
Fidget is the combination of a fidget toy, spheres. Spheres were used to create the outer mass to give the toy its total mass. One of the things that I fell in love with after I held it for the first time is the way the light plays across the spinning spheres. It just makes almost like an infinite amount of concentric and intersecting circles of light. It's almost magical. When I was designing this, I wanted it to be as curvy as possible. So when I set out to design something that not only did I want it to be functional, but I wanted it to be beautiful. This fidget's kind of hard to explain. You can see it on the screen, you can see it in the drawings. I saw it as I was designing it. And it didn't really become real to me until I actually held it. So when I first created this fidget, I didn't know what it was going to be like to hold it. And I can't describe the very first time when you're rushing to put something together and you finally spin it for the first time. It was really amazing. That gives me hope that this is going to be a pretty unique product